Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time stopping by. My name is Arapana. I do a lot of fashion videos, styling videos, fashion hauls, occasional beauty, occasional motherhood content. If that sounds like something you would be interested in watching, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up. Everything I talk about in today's video will be linked down below, along with my sizing, along with my measurements as well. So if you're interested in buying anything, please click the links down below. So this is a little Amazon haul for you guys, a fall haul. We're going into colder weather now, so these pieces will definitely accommodate you for the colder weather. So without further ado, let's get started. All of these pieces are from my favorite Amazon seller. I love this one. This one is a jacket slash sweater type of situation. I love it. It's so fuzzy, so soft and comfortable. So it does have a hood, but it does have this wipeable material on the hood, so that's perfect if it's raining. The inside of it is also fuzzy, and as you can see, it does have a snap to open closure. I just love it. It just gives me all of the fall vibes. I believe this one does come in other colors as well, but I went for this like army green color because I thought it was perfect for the fall time. That's what the back of it looks like. It also has pockets in the front with that same wipeable nylon material. I love this one. I love the mixed materials. It's definitely a little bit different than what you usually see, and it does have drawstrings here on the hood. I'm sorry, it was a little bit tucked away, but yeah, that's what it looks like. I love that little detail as well. So if you're looking for a mixture between a Sherpa and a jacket, this one is a good choice. You may have seen this cardigan in another vlog before because I did have this on. I love it. I've worn it like 3 times already. It's my favorite piece from this haul. I just love the color of it. It does come in a bunch of different colors, so you have a lot of options to choose from. So if you're not into the cropped cardigan, it does come in a longer version as well. So I love this one. It's a nice thin material, so it's perfect to wear by itself. You can layer a tank under this. You can layer a jacket over this. So it's pretty versatile. The quality is really great. These buttons do open up, and I love the fact that the buttons are also like a nude color as well. That is what the back of it looks like. I love the little v-neck. I absolutely love this one. I feel like I need another one as a backup because I've already worn it so much. I love it. The material is soft, it's comfortable, it's lightweight, it's breathable. Highly recommend this one. So I did wear this one with jeans before, but to give it a dressier look, if you're wearing this into the office, I have the perfect pair of pants for you. So these are the bottoms I'm talking about. These are a paper bag style, and I absolutely adore these. These are a best seller on Amazon, you guys. I do have them in the tan version. I believe I showed them to you last year. I still have them. I love them. They are amazing. So I decided to get the black version as well. This is such a cute office outfit right here. It's so adorable. Love this one. So I just wanted to show them to you together. But yeah, these pants have a nice like medium thickness to them. They're not super heavy, but they're not super thin either. And it also comes with this belt, which I love. I love how high-waisted it is. And the bottoms are a little bit different. And the bottoms here you can tie into a little bow as well, so I love that little detail. The little details make all of the difference. So these are perfect to wear casually. These are perfect to dress up for a night out, just throw on like a cute little top. And these are also perfect to wear into the office because they do look like dress pants as well, and they have pockets on both sides. So I love this one. Highly recommend it. Again, a best seller on Amazon. I feel like this is one of those items that you definitely need in your wardrobe. So I could be wrong, but I believe the term for this print is called argyle, or that might be the type of material. I'm not 100% sure, but I have seen this print everywhere. I love this print, and I love this one because it is a cropped style again. So these would look really nice with those pants as well. Love this one and love the look of it, love the style of it. This one is definitely on the thicker side, so if it's really cold outside, this is the one you're going to want to grab. I love it. It's so cute on. I love the oversized sleeve. I love the subtle colors. I love the v-neck. These buttons are not faux, so they do open up if you want to wear it open with like a little tank underneath. And you can play on a bunch of different colors. There's gray in here, there's white, black, dark gray, so you have a lot of options to choose from. This would look really nice over a dress as well. So if you just want like a cardigan to throw over, this one is perfect. The material feels really nice, you guys, so definitely more of a winter sweater, or you can just wear this by itself. So if you've been seeing this print everywhere and you weren't sure if you wanted to try it out or not, this is your chance. I think this one is tastefully done. It's not too like obnoxious or in your face. I think it's pretty subtle. In my opinion, it looks very wearable. It's easy to throw on, and yeah, I love this one and I cannot wait to wear this one out. Next up, we have this flannel shirt, which I love because as you can see, one side is a little bit different from the other side, so I love that unique twist on a basic flannel shirt. So oops, the hanger just completely fell out. Let me just push that to the side. But yeah, I love that. I love that this pattern is different than this one. I just love that. But the back of it is actually all the same. So the back of it is the full pattern. The front of it has two different patterns. I just love the uniqueness of this. So that really drew me in. We've seen a lot of flannel shirts. They're everywhere. They're pretty much almost the same across the board in every store, every website, but this one I feel like you don't really see that many of. So if you want like a unique spin on the usual boring flannel, definitely grab this one. You can wear this one with leggings, you can wear it with jeans, you can tie it in a knot, you can half tuck it. There's so many different ways you can wear this flannel. You can wear it casually with sneakers, you can wear it with some chunky boots and some joggers. The possibilities are endless with this one, so highly recommend this one. It does have like a medium thickness to it, so it's definitely going to keep you warm. So if you've been looking for a spin on the boring flannel, definitely grab this. Next up, we have a good old cardigan. This is in a really pretty soft gray color. This one is definitely like a light to medium weight cardigan. I mean, cardigans are pretty much self-explanatory. They go with everything. They're a great layering piece. They go great in the fall time with boots, knee-high boots, ankle boots, chunky boots. You can dress it up over like a dressy dress or like dress pants. You can wear a cardigan with those black pants and like a white shirt or something like that. You know what I mean? A cardigan is very versatile. You can never go wrong with a cardigan. Love it. It's pretty long, so it's not super long, but it's definitely not short. So if you're looking for a good layering piece, if you're looking for something to wear into the office, to wear over your outfit for church, if you just want to have a little bit of extra warmth around the house and you're looking for a simple cardigan, this one is perfect for you. It does come in other colors. There's really not much to say about it other than the material is really nice and you can never go wrong with the cardigan. So next up, I have a flannel dress for you. How pretty is this flannel dress? I love the buffalo plaid print on it and I love the sleeve, and as you can see, it does have that detailing right there. That's what the back of it looks like. So this one is not too short, it's not too long. It does have a button up detail that can be undone if you want. It does have a pocket here, and what's really nice is that it has this built-in string right here, so you can cinch your waist in a little bit more. I would definitely wear this with some knee-high boots or over-the-knee boots in a black color. Throw a jacket over and call it a day. It's so cute. You can also throw on a black hat as well for a cute fall picture day. I just love this one. It's comfortable. It is flannel, so it's definitely going to keep you warm. I believe this one comes in another print as well, so definitely check the links down below. Next up, I have another flannel dress for you. I feel like this would be really great to wear for like Thanksgiving dinner because it's open, it's flowy, but it also has a belt as well, so you can cinch it around your waist to create a shape, emphasize your shape. I love this one. The material, like the other dress, is on the medium side, so it's definitely for the colder weather. Again, I would pair this with some boots, some knee-high boots. You can even pair this with some like white booties because of the white print. Love the v-neck. These buttons can be opened up if you need it to be, and I love the fact that the bottom does have like a little frill at the end, so love that little detail as well. The pattern does continue on the back, and the dress does have buttons as well, so if you want to roll it up, you can definitely do that as well. And the last item I have to show you is this really heavyweight, warm, comfortable, cozy coat. So you can wear this as a really long shacket because it is very long, or you can wear it as a dress. And I love the fact that it comes with a belt as well, so you can tie it around your waist. You can also pair this with some booties because this one is pretty long. You can pair some knee-high boots with this as well if it's really cold that day. I love the color of this one. It's very simple, it's very plain. You can have on an all-black outfit and then throw this over to give it some dimension, some color. You're definitely going to be warm in this one, so if you live in a really cold climate, this is perfect for you. The buttons do open up, so again, you have the options to wear it as a jacket, you can wear it as a dress, you can wear it as a long shacket basically, and it does have pockets on both sides, and I'm telling you, the material on this one is so soft. So that wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.